What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW. And today, red hat, red day, red Friday. Well, guys, lately I've been focused mostly on the mid caps and large cap plays. They've been moving around a lot better, a lot cleaner. And small caps have been kind of deadish. But yesterday, LGVM went absolutely insane, which today caused other stocks to obviously have some sympathy and move along with them. GTEC, GTEC was one of them, had some news out. And today, it's a stock that I actually was trading live on YouTube, and it didn't pan out well. It stopped me out. I took one trade, I took another trade, both stopped me out. One of them was a real nice attack at the high of day. I was actually putting out an order on the ask, and the stock reached, I think, $10.54. I had an order out at $10.74 for my first take profit. Obviously, I didn't reach it. So came back down, slammed all the way back down to my initial entry, and I stopped out of it. It's at a point right now where it's just super choppy, and it's trapping both bears and bulls at the same time. So it's a tremendous tug of war, which kind of starts to make it a 50-50 point flip, and I don't want to partake in that. I'd rather book the small red day. Third red day in 18 days. So really nice, accuracy lately. I'm not even mad about it. Just more disappointed about the action on it. So we'll jump into the charts here. Before we do, remember I stream Monday through Thursday from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. So make sure you check out that stream, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you're alerted. Give me a quick solid, smash that like button, and check out the Discord description section and comment section for a free link. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and jump into today's recap. GTEC. GTEC got me twice. I'll go over both of my trades on this play here this morning. The first trade was after it pushed up and made this new high here. We got slammed back down, halted right here at 930, I think it was 931, and we resumed, and we started to hold that 968 area. When we broke back above that previous halt price there, I went ahead and got long at 940 with a stop in the 880 area. We began to hold, it was a starter position. We began to hold the level. I added to full size, and I was looking for my first take profit to come off up here towards the high day is 1080 and change. So I was looking at 1070s to take some profit off up here. We don't get up there at all, obviously. We break back underneath VWAP, and I stop out of it under 9. We then again hold this 860 area for the second time. So now this 860 level is actually starting to be more of an important level. We break back through VWAP, okay? What I want you to notice is on this pullback here was decreasing volume. That's why I added. We break back through VWAP on an increase in volume. So I'm like, okay, bet, you know what? I'm going to get back in here and see if we can ride this. I get back in this thing, 969 average, stop at $9 area. At this point, maybe I should have considered having my stop at 968, so 960. But I looked at it on the daily chart, and I didn't find that on the daily chart as a significant level. Okay, so we make errors. Maybe it is a significant level now, and I'm just not accepting it. Possible. We make a push towards the highs. I put out an order at 974. Okay, we get as high as 1050, 1049. Okay, I was up really nicely on that trade already. I was almost $1 a share. I was up really nicely on that trade already. Put out an order there to get sell some at 1074. We get to 1049, nothing. We reject. But we don't reject on a calm, relaxed pullback. No, what do we reject on? This disgusting, huge candle on a big increase in volume, bigger than the pop through VWAP. I'm like, wow, bro, okay. You know what? I'm going to let this go. I let it go at 884, 894 actually was my fill. I got to fix that. 894 was actually my fill. So I stop out there. Another regular size loss. So 2 regular size losses. The good thing is that between both of them, I don't give back yesterday's really nice home run day. I give back a good chunk of it, but it's one day out of this, streak here. And it's the third red day in the past 18 red days. I'm sorry, 18 green days. 18 trading days. 18 trading days. Out of those 18 trading days, I have 3 red trades only, 3 red days. So I'm like, okay, not a big deal. So now what do we have? We have this thing back here, tested that 868 level once again. And now we're holding up above VWAP. But every time it pops and tries to make those attempts, it gets sold into. Meaning that this stock, if it gets through that high, it's going to squeeze, and it's going to squeeze the face off of all these shorts, and it's going to be a big move. Or it's going to dump, and it's going to be disgusting and get back down here towards 8. And if it cracks 8, then we're going to see this thing come all the way back down here, probably towards the 755 area that we drew in pre-market. You know, what's going to happen? I think, in my opinion, right now, at best case scenario, you have a 60-40 chance, 60% chance that the Bulls win, 40% chance that the Bears win. And the only reason being is because going off of yesterday's LGVN, shorts must be a little bit uncomfortable. If they've noticed this level, they are definitely uncomfortable, and we can start to see them start to cover and longs come back into this play. Will I trade it again here this morning? I don't know. I don't think so, but I don't know. I'll keep an eye on it. I just don't like trading them when they're this choppy. I don't like trading them when they're choppy. I don't. It's not something I enjoy. It's not something I like to trade at all. As a matter of fact, even slowing it down to a 15-minute chart here on this bull flag formation, you can see that we broke above the bull flag and rejected, okay? Not once, but twice in 30 minutes. 2 breaks up above the bull flag and rejection. That's choppy. So if one is red on this name, in my opinion, it's not something to be embarrassed about or ashamed about, you know, at all. It's a choppy play. When it's this choppy on a bull flag on a 15-minute chart, it's choppy. Sure, you can come now and obviously redraw this here. And now you have, all right, let me draw. And now you have this setup here, which could be a brand new setup, but it's just choppy. It's 11:38 a.m. More than likely, if this thing's going to make a move, I bet you it's going to make a move during lunch, and I'm not going to touch it. Not going to touch it. It's Friday, leading into a short week, Thanksgiving week. People start to travel. Volume starts to go away little by little as we get closer. During lunch, even worse yet, I'm not going to mess with it. Now, if it holds levels and coming out of lunch, we don't sell off, then maybe I'll look for an afternoon trade, maybe if the volume is there. See right here, that's the take profit I was looking for, I'm pretty sure. Let's see. This is 1071, so I would have missed my take profit by 3 pennies. What was the high day? High day is 1081. So I was trying to take it off at 1074, some of it. So even here, I would have still missed my take profit by 3 pennies. I hate this stock right now. I really do. Will it break the high day here? Maybe, if it can get that volume going, but it's going to do so without me. I don't mind booking a perfectly manageable red day versus jumping back in there and trying to make it back and then making this manageable red day into a red day that's going to take me a day or two to crawl out of. I don't like that. That's not what I'm about. So I'll move on here for now and wait until things are cleaner. If it doesn't get cleaner, so be it. Well, guys, that's it for me today. I'll go ahead and book the red day, move on, go into the weekend, and see what next week holds. Next week's a short week, so it's a week to definitely be very careful at. I'm going to probably decrease my size a little bit next week just in case we see that volume really start to wind down, especially Tuesday and Wednesday. And leading to Thanksgiving and being happy, right? And then looking forward to the tail end of November and December, which should be potentially very hot time frames, okay? Hope you guys have a great weekend. Thank you very much for watching. Smash the like button for me, and I'll catch you on the next one.